Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. And a warm welcome back to the channel guys. Hope all is good and well. And you join me in the long awaited exterior wash on the £200 Astra. Now this thing has been parked on my drive for a number of weeks after having the engine all done, and it is grubby, greasy and oily, so it is desperate for a wash. So first up, I used Garage Therapy's Citrus. Now I'm going over the top with Garage Therapy's version 2's Snow Foam, just to get rid of and break down some of that grime and grit. And you're all probably wondering why I didn't start off with the wheels. But guys, these wheels, I've seen every curb in South Wales by the look of them. They are in desperate need of a refurb, so that's what I've been doing. You just have a look guys at how much dirt actually comes out of these little nooks and crannies of this car. This car was absolutely bogging. Dirt just built up in all these little areas, like you see in the door trims, in the roof rails. It was everywhere. So now we're on to one of the contact washes. And guys, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. I am going to wash this Astra in CIF, bathroom and kitchen cleaner. And as you see, there's no messing about. I'm literally pouring it out of the bottle onto the bonnet, and I'm just going to rub in with a microfiber cloth. Now I did this all over the vehicle guys, and the main reason I done this for is because, as I said, this car was covered in oil, and if you've never washed a white car in CIF before, it brings it up like an absolute treat, restores the shine. And just watch how this CIF gets rid of this oil patch that's been on this car for a number of weeks and brings the shine back. So now we finished washing the car in CIF, we're going to get down to a real decon shampoo, which is Auto Bright Direct. And as always guys, you know I apply my shampoos via Snow Foam Lance, and this £4 Temu Snow Foam Lance is an absolute belter. Fair play, it has not let me down one bit, and I absolutely love using it. So now that we've fired that frothy, sudsy goodness all over this Astra, we're going to go across with my Shiny Garage mitt just to give it a good wash. This is an absolute lovely shampoo to use, especially in a Snow Foam Lance. You can smell the pear drop scent. It is super slick, glides over the panels, and it does a nice job. So we're just going to give the car a quick rinse down just to get rid of that shampoo residue, and we're going to go on to the next stage. So next up, we got Maldeep's Purple Fallout Remover. Now a fallout remover, guys, is just to get rid of all the embedded iron contaminants in the car, and in doing so it will chemically react and to go purple. And as you can see from these after shots, this fallout stage was definitely needed. So just after this, I'm going to hit the car again with the Decon shampoo, and I'm going to go over with a clay mitt. The clay mitt of choice is the one that I've always used. It's from Shiny Garage. Excellent clay mitt. Really makes light work of going around this car. I really do enjoy going over with a clay bar or a clay mitt. I find it very therapeutic. But this is not a process that you should rush. This shouldn't be a 5-minute blitz round the car, even with a clay mitt. So now we're going to give a final rinse down. Now I haven't shown the drying stage on this, guys, because there is going to be a part 2 where I will be machine polishing and going over with the desired LSP, which will probably be from Monster Shine. I heard some cracking stuff about their glazes and their ceramic wax, so stick around for part 2. And sorry I forgot to get video footage of this, guys, but here she is a lot better, a lot cleaner, and looking a lot fresher. And guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Please leave your comments down below, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Ta-ra.